just hit outside of Yellowstone, 48 kilometers from the Helena Valley, west central Montana, United States. Now you can see right here, I got 2 emails this morning from people that live out there. One of them said, actually, one person lives out there. I don't know where the other person lives. I think Arizona. But the one person that lives out there said, Rex, the earthquake was the worst I ever felt. I was dizzy. What's going on? The clouds are bizarre out here. They're rolling in black. There's this weird red and yellow coloring out in the sun, in the horizon, I should say. Not in the sun, but out in the horizon. What is going on? Well, let's hope that this 5.8 earthquake is actually a good thing out there. Let's hope that all these earthquakes, because I did some checking. I went and pulled this up right here. The past 30 days, there's been 1,174 earthquakes in the region. Now, normally this time of year, the earthquake activity does spike. It does increase, but not this much. The yearly average of earthquakes for an entire year, including this month, ladies and gentlemen, because I've had several people say, this is normal, Rex, totally normal. The yearly average for earthquakes in Yellowstone is 2,000. They say 1 to 3,000 is the yearly average. So let's average that out. 2,000 is the yearly average. We've hit over 1,100 quakes in 30 days. Take 1,174 times that by 12. You've got over 14,000 earthquakes. That's a 700% increase if you use the 2,000 earthquakes a year scenario. Now, with that said, maybe all of these mini quakes, it's allowing it to vent, to cool off, so it doesn't go boom. Now, when you do have people saying that they've lived out there their whole lives and a 5.8 quake is the most intense they've ever felt, well, that definitely makes me more, it would make me more aware and more prepared for a situation in that area to get the heck out of Dodge if I needed to. If I start seeing animals leave Yellowstone, that's when I know it's time to go. Because animals seem to be in that psychic into that, whatever that vibrational frequency is that they can tap into. Keep an eye on the animals. Now, Lincoln, Montana, power was actually lost out there because the earthquake was so intense. And elevation out there, it's about 4,500 feet, about 1,100 people. And it's not a very big area. And that size of an earthquake is quite the anomaly. Now, I pulled up the map right here just so you can see for yourself that you're only, and that's if you're taking all these turns and stuff like that, you're less than 250 miles. If you were to take a straight path there, it's less than 250 miles away. We'll go back over here and look at all the activity in the area. 1,174 earthquakes in the past 30 days. Let's take a look at this right here. So you can see you've got the interactive map, the regional information if you go to usgs.gov, the earthquake.usgs.gov, the shake map. This is a pretty neat website right here. So the July 6th 5.8 quake, according to this website, occurred as the result of shallow strike slip faulting along either a right lateral near vertical fault trending east-southeast or on a left lateral vertical fault striking northeast. Nanu. The location and focal mechanism solution of this earthquake are consistent with right lateral faulting in association with faults of the Lewis and Clark line, a prominent zone of strike slip, dip slip, and oblique slip faulting trending east-southeast from northern Idaho to east of Helena, Montana, southeast of this earthquake. It's a broad zone of faulting about 400 kilometers in length, up to 80 kilometers wide. Wow. Quite incredible. So there you have it, a 5.8 quake in Yellowstone. You guys should pick up one of these quick bivvies. Click the link in my video description box. Everybody should seriously have one of these quick bivvies. They fit in the palm of your hand. They weigh a few ounces. You can put them just about anywhere. Glove box, under your car seat. You can put them in your bug out bag. If you're a gal and you've got a small purse, you could put one of these in your purse. And if you ever get in a situation where you need to stay warm and you didn't come prepared, this 3-ounce bag, bivy sack, could help save your life. And they're cheap. So click the link. Be excellent to each other. Be the change you want to see. LeakProject.com.
A bizarre mystery in Flagler County.
A number of people say they felt the ground shake today. Several people around the Palm Coast area called in to report it. And people in the Daytona North area, as well as in Deltona and as far north as St. Augustine, say they felt it too. Channel 9's Jason Allen is live in Flagler County, and Jason, some worried it was an earthquake.
The Emergency Management Office has been on the phone here all day trying to figure this out. This was not a boom, an audible boom, at least not as described to us, but it was more of an actual shaking, buildings shaking. In fact, a dispatcher here at the county actually felt it happen.
I live alone, I'm blind, and a while ago the house was shaking. Did you happen to know?
I'm not sure. We're actually getting quite a few calls about it now. We're having someone check it out, okay?
That 911 call was one of about a dozen calls that poured into Flagler County about 9:30 Friday morning. An unexplained phenomenon described as everything from a low rumble to a window-shaking movement rattled residents from St. Augustine to Palm Coast.
Around rumbled and the building rumbled, and definitely abnormal for here.
We found at least two people who have experienced sonic booms and earthquakes from time spent in California.
That's what it felt like. It definitely felt like an earthquake.
Enough to make you look toward the ocean and go, okay, what's next? Tsunami?
5/21/2011. It's right now 4:47 a.m. Saturday morning. This noise has been going on since like 3 o'clock, off and on. I don't know what the hell that is. See the moon up there shining bright. That noise.
Check this shit out. Listen to that. That is fucking crazy.
What is that from?
I don't know. Sounds like a giant flame or something. I'm gonna walk across the street. Idea what that is.
that's something. What is that? That feels like it's getting very close. Where is it? It's not back that way. It's up in this corner. Don't go out there. Do you see anything? I know it's coming from there somewhere.
Get the kids in the bathroom.
I hear the wind.
Get the kids in the bathroom.
Get in the bathroom. Get. It's getting close. Jesus, Jesus. This is not good, y'all. No, I don't see anything yet. Did you see the lightning? Oh, God, I don't feel good. Oh, Lord, in the name of Jesus. Why is there nothing on TV? Jesus. Keep the tornadoes away from the house, please. What was that? I don't know where the safest part of the house was at. It's on the ground for sure. I feel it. You see anything?
Yes, ma'am. Has there been any reports of any tornadoes out toward the airport? Because it's really, really loud out here. I'm on Spring Hill Road on Walnut Grove Lane. It's about 3 miles south on Spring Hill Road. And it has just been going on for a while. And Walnut Grove Lane. Sorry, I'm shaking. Okay, I don't. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
They got a lot of calls, but she said we don't know if it's a tornado or not. They got if it is to get into the state. Uh-oh, what was that? I don't hear it anymore, Tim. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Whew.
You seen what's happening over there?
What's going on?
There's one going up and joining it.
Yeah?
It's going right fucking to it.
That line?
Yeah, there's one coming up from the bottom.
On the left? Oh, the one at the bottom, yeah, it's split.
No, it's coming up. There's one coming up to it.
It's coming up to it. I got it on film right now.
So,
Listen.
It just disappeared, Mars.
What did?
The trail that was making that trail went all the way up to there, and it just disappeared again.
Okay, I put something else on here.